Hey guys, Matt with CJ Off-Road here. Now what I've got in front of me is a Rough Country Performance Vented Hood fitting your 2007 to 18 JK Wrangler. Now we love Rough Country products here. We were happy to see when this came in that we could get it installed on one of our JKs. Now what you have here is the Rough Country Performance Vented Hood, which includes everything that you need to get it installed on your JK, of course after you get it painted. And what I really like about this hood is that it features the same design styling as the 10th anniversary hood found on the JK Wrangler, which includes these two inlets here, as well as the power bulge that goes around, and this is almost called like the bird bath. That would be original in a Dodge. But then what they've added on is going to be this center section here, which reminds me exactly of Jeep's Trail Cat concept, where they actually put a center mounted inlet. Now this thing looks really cool. It's not functional, but you could make it functional with a few little cuts and have some air sucking right into the top of your engine. Now this is paintable. It does come in a durable primer here, and everything is included that you'll need to get it installed. We've got a bag of hardware as well as all the washer nozzles and everything that you need to get those hooked up, including an underside hood underlayment. So this entire thing is going to be ready to go after you get it painted to be bolted onto your JK. Now I'm saying this because we are going to get this thing professionally painted and installed on our JK. We'll walk you guys through that process as well as give you some estimates on cost. So that way if you're thinking about putting an aftermarket hood on either your JK or JL, you can get a roundabout cost from a shop. Now it will depend on the area, but we'll get into that during that video. Now overall guys, this is a really nice looking hood at an affordable price, and it's offered by Rough Country, so you know that it's going to be great quality on the front end of your Jeep. And what we're going to do is we're going to get this thing painted up, installed on the Jeep, and we'll show you guys what it looks like. But if you want to buy one for yourself, be sure to visit cjponyparts.com. Check out this hood as well as a wide array of parts for your JK and your JL Wrangler. Until next time guys, we're going to start working on this hood, and I'll see you out on the trail.